Types of events. Introduction to the course. Creating an event is no small feat. It takes planning and understanding of the process. When planning an event, there are a multitude of tasks to consider. In this guide we will explore together how to effectively plan and produce an event. Course objectives. Research has consistently demonstrated that when clear goals are associated with learning, it occurs more easily and rapidly. With that in mind, let's review our goals for today. At the end of this course, learners should be able to understand the different types of events, understand the planning process, know how to organize your event, understand how to organize your staff, and delegate to them effectively, know what to do after the event. Types of events. An event is a planned social occasion. Events can be small intimate family gatherings, or huge galas. You can have an event for charity, or for your baby's first steps. Because the spectrum is so vast, there are of course many different types of events. Awards. An awards event, or an awards ceremony, is an event that gives out an award or awards, and awards ceremonies can vary in size and prestige. An example of an informal awards ceremony would be a group of co-workers gathering at a restaurant, and awarding funny awards to each other like worst tie in the office. An example of a formal awards event would be the Oscars. An awards ceremony is a way to honor a person, or multiple people. You can utilize this type of event in any setting, such as a corporate function, social club, etc.